Jaden. Junior. Sabi nasa harap yung, di ba sa harapan yan? Parang baliktad yung ano mo. Yung juniors.
He said to wear it like this.
Like that. Yung junior sa harap.
We're gonna flip it later.
Ha?
We're gonna flip it later. Ceremony.
Ayun. Ayun, yun yata dun. Saan? What's the feeling? Ha? What's your feeling? Excited?
Yeah.
Why?
So I'm graduating.
Ha?
You graduated?
Hindi ba sila pumasok? Bakit si Kuya yun doon? Ayun.
Iba ka ba?
Oo nga.
Pwede ba siya natin sa
Oo. Oy, doon kayo sa ano. Doon sila pumamano eh. Doon. Oo. Pwede sana. Doon na. Sila naglakad kanina eh. Yung mga ano eh. Ano, Jaden, tama yung location mo.
Yeah.
Baka binabaan nila doon. Ayun. Al-Mutaka.
I am so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Alam sila Jaden.
vision. We envision Philippine International School Qatar PISQ to be committed to molding the learners into becoming God-loving, productive global citizens who value wisdom and goodness, promote Filipino and Qatari values, and will be highly competent contributors in building a just, humane, and progressive society.
Mission: to provide a safe learning environment and offer thorough academic and life skills training that nurtures the learners to succeed in their chosen field of endeavors through holistic learning experience.
Hold! Call! Attention! Scout, salute! Ready, front! Mark on! March!
And upon the recognition and confirmation of the Department of Education, I hereby confirm the eligibility of these grade 10 learners for completion of junior high school education. Having satisfactorily completed all the requirements prescribed by the Department of Education for the junior high school level, they are hereby declared junior high school completers and are qualified for admission to senior high school. Congratulations on grade 10 completion.
Kian Markel T. Bawe. Eden Rian S. Alarcos, Loyalty Award with Honors. Teresa Hermione C. Vasco. Daniel G. Castro.
Every day for the last 4 years, we carried a backpack to school. Some were heavy, some were light. But there was another backpack that we carried, nobody else could see. Inside it were our fears, our dreams, our failures, our victories, our friendships, and every lesson we learned along the way. Now fast forward to grade 10, and it became the ultimate survival challenge. Our group chats turned into actual support groups as we faced endless workloads, major projects, and constant deadlines. There were even nights when we were running on nothing but caffeine and sheer panic. Desperately wishing maybe we could hit pause. But we didn't. We pushed through, and today, we are not just survivors. We are completers of junior high school, and looking at all of you, I don't just feel relief. I feel immense pride that we actually did it. But of course, no journey like this is ever completed alone. To our teachers, thank you for your endless patience, guidance, and dedication. Thank you for believing in us, even when we doubted ourselves. From our uncertain grade 7 days to this important milestone, you never gave up on us. To our school staff, thank you. While your efforts often go unnoticed, your hard work helped create a safe, organized, and welcoming environment for all of us. To our parents and guardians, Ma'am, Pa, thank you for being our anchor. Thank you for enduring our stressful mood swings, reminding us to keep going, and checking in on us during late night study sessions. Thank you for every sacrifice, every prayer, and every word of encouragement. Your unwavering support is the reason we are here today with our heads on high. And finally, to my batchmates. What made this entire journey bearable and honestly unforgettable was the fact that we had each other. Do you guys still remember the scorching heat while we were practicing our Kuna festival for the field demonstration? We were completely exhausted, arguing over the choreography and struggling to get into formation. But the moment the music played, we moved as one. We found unique ways to shine, proving that as Filipino graduates, we are prepared to lead with confidence and character wherever we go next. We also remember those who started this journey with us, but could not be here to see it through. But their memories remain part of our story and part of who we are as a batch. Now looking back, I realized that each of us contributed something meaningful to this journey. We practiced charity through simple acts of kindness, whether by sharing notes, helping a classmate, or offering words of encouragement. We showed compassion by lifting one another up instead of bringing each other down. We navigated challenges with grace, especially during the most demanding days of the school year. We held out hope when things seemed impossible, and we stood by justice, by choosing honesty, integrity, and hard work in everything we did. Now, Batch 2026, I want you to take a moment to look around you. Be proud of the person sitting beside you. Be proud of everyone who helped make this journey worthwhile. But most importantly, be proud of yourself. And be proud of how far you've come since grade 7. We survived the doubts, the pressures, and the sleepless nights. But more than that, we grew from them. We are closing this chapter not simply as students who completed junior high school, but as young individuals who have discovered purpose, resilience, and strength. We started this journey trying to find our classrooms. Today, we leave having found something far more important. The greatest lessons we learned were never confined in the pages of our books. They were found in the friendships we built, the challenges we overcame, the memories we created together, and the values we embrace. As we move forward, may we carry these lessons with us and set our hearts ablaze. Congratulations, grade and batch of 2026. Thank you and congratulations to us all.
Thank you, Randy, for your heartfelt praise.
For school year 2025-2026, starting with Sam Ati G. Ali Loyalty Award. Omar B. Amelody Loyalty Award.
In grateful recognition bestowed upon me by the Philippine International School, Qatar, I, Daniel G. Castro, do hereby solemnly swear to remain loyal to my alma mater. I pledge to dedicate myself to continue in search for knowledge and wisdom. Discipline my will so as to elevate and preserve high moral. To be the pride of my parents, school, host country, the state of Qatar, and my beloved country, the Republic of the Philippines. So help me God.
Thank you, Daniel. You may now be seated. The song they're about to sing is an original composition of Fiona Matea Marzan, Juliana Cural,
James Cabal, Luis Tamayo, Elisha Hibaya, and Johan Yaguno, entitled Next Chapter.
Work on. March.
Again. Ito lang. 1, 2, smile. One more. Okay.
Aiden.
Yan. Yan. 1, 2, smile. Sayang ang binayad namin dyan. 1, 2. Okay. Isang picture para maganda yan. Sige. Yan.
Ma'am, makuha rin kami ng picture natin. Yan, ang ano. Yan, yung ano. Okay, guys. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Beads. Beads. Ikaw. Hindi naman ikaw gumraduate eh. Ha? Sige.